Hey folks, in this video I will show you how to download Minecraft Launcher in Windows. So if you don't know about Minecraft Launcher, so Minecraft using Minecraft Launcher you can launch different Minecraft versions like Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. So to download Minecraft Launcher, first go to the Windows Store. If you are not signed in to Windows Store, make sure to sign in here and then search for Minecraft launcher. So I have searched like this, and you can see here this Minecraft launcher app. Go to that app and click install, and it will ask you where to install the app. So I select this drive and click install. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. So see you guys in the next video.